guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going snowmobiling. Snowmobile sledding. It's a family tour because my family are here in Rovaniemi visiting for the weekend. This is their second day here. First day we did Santa Park. I'm not sure if I've done a video for that or not. I don't know how I'm structuring that because I just shot B-roll. But yeah, today we're going snowmobiling with Wild About Lapland again, tour company, so I'm going to be doing some photos for them as I have done recently. But yeah, look at this morning. It's actually a really nice morning. It's a bit clearer in the sky. So we originally thought there might not be aurora tonight, but right now I'm thinking we might have a small chance of something. Probably have to get out of the city though. And look at the sky there behind me, all nice and pink and dawny at 10 AM, 10:30 AM. Yeah, they're staying in the Scandic Hovey up here, and I'm just waiting for them, then we're going to walk over to the office. I'm sure I will get lots of B-roll and stuff of the journey to the snowmobiles and all that, and then the trip, but I don't know how many talking clips I'll get, so I'm making the most of this one. Yeah, but that's a serious point now. I don't know how many talking clips I'm going to get in this vlog. It might be a lot of B-roll again, so I hope you enjoy seeing what we do and the photos I produce. I don't know how much I'm going to be chipping in here to say stuff. Anyway, yeah, let's get going.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you are new to the channel, the button's down below, click it, and whilst you're there, turn on post notifications as well, so that you don't miss a video when I upload. Thank you all for watching. If you have turned post notifications on, I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.